Today we have a new toy that's called Playmat. We have bought it for Vernica to learn alphabets, days of the week, months. It has a writing board plus a marker, but we haven't opened it since she is very small. We have volume control. We can turn down the volume, turn up the volume. We have options to repeat, to spell the letters, spellings and the word. Okay, let's start with the word.
Apple. Bear.
A for apple, B for bear.
Monday.
Then the weeks.
Tuesday. Wednesday.
Then the months.
January. February.
Let's press spelling.
Cap. C-A-P. Cap. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. April. A-P-R-I-L. April.
Let's see what this repeat does.
T.
It just repeats the last letter or the word. It also has the option for test.
Hi kids, where is B? B. Good. Hi kids, where is W?
Let's press another character.
X. Try again. Hi kids, where is W?
Okay, let's explore. Follow me and read.
Apple. Bear. Cat. Deer. Egg. Fish.
Playmat toy is a good deal. We bought it from a nearby toy store for rupees 550 and I think it's a very good deal. The plastic of the toy is good. It doesn't have any sharp edges. It's battery operated though, and it's very interactive and colorful for the child. This video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let's wait for Vanika's reaction and I'll post more details in the description box. Bye.